Matt Wilson Motorcycles are very pleased to present you with this absolutely stunning BMW R9T. However, this is no ordinary R9T and it's like no other you'll find on the market. This is the option 719, so it comes with a fantastic paint scheme. However, it's then been absolutely littered with extras and custom made, starting off with the fantastic Wunderlich rear end conversion. So you get the beautiful tail light there in the rear and the lovely little LED indicators, and obviously this much nicer tail end which gives you that bobber effect. All of that kit totals nearly £500. We do have all the rear end, the standard rear end is all present with the bike. It's also got the crash bars added, the lovely exhaust wrap to give it that custom bobber effect. That can easily be removed if needed, if it's not your thing. Also has a lovely radiator guard. It's had the LED indicator upgrade, and it's also had this fantastic LED headlight upgrade as well. And it's also had the fantastic HP Akrapovic exhaust added as well. We do have the standard exhaust present as well. But as you can see, it really is immaculate as well. It's honestly as close to new as you could find. It's just one of those bikes that really needs to be seen to be appreciated. You really won't find another like this one. That's the beauty of it. Comes with both keys and the original BMW owner's book. It's had its BMW PDI and BMW first services carried out and stamped in the book, and I have just serviced it again on arrival. You can see there it's also had bar risers fitted for that added comfort, and it does have heated grips. And as you can see here, just 2,671 miles on the clock. You can see this fantastic LED headlight. And then we have the lovely rear light. And then the fantastic little LED indicators there at the bottom. So there really are some fantastic little features on this bike. It is one of those, as we say, that really needs to be seen to be appreciated. Part exchange is welcome. We offer finance and PCP deals along with nationwide delivery. If you require any more information at all, then please feel free to get in touch.